In Q1 2017, Renault became the world's #1 car manufacturer. In the age of mobile and digital, Renault had set itself 3 goals: optimize customer intimacy, increase quality of service, guarantee customer satisfaction. To do this, Renault has devised RBook Service, a solution which will create a more personalised customer experience in auto repair workshops. Installed on Microsoft Surfaces, RBook Service means Renault can carry out digitalised vehicle inspections without any duplicate data entries and guarantee a fast, effective service. The solution shows the full vehicle history, so the dealership staff can sell the customer any accessories they may need. Econocom assisted Renault at every stage of the project, focusing on 3 areas. First, design. We advised them on the technical architecture of their IT system, choosing the environment and the tablet concept, from everyday use to choosing the accessories. Secondly, integration. To implement the centralized systems management architecture, create the tablet master and test the structure of the solution. And lastly, deployment and management, with rollout and installation of the tablet environment at the dealerships. And to simplify adoption, Econocom devised an innovative pay-per-use model, Service as a Service. This flexible model enables the client to align deployment with each dealership's specific needs and spread out the cost over several years. The development of RBook Service delivered a number of benefits. Firstly, for Renault, optimize the role of the service advisors, modernize the company image, and a rise in sales at the dealerships. But most of all, a better service in the workshop thanks to a faster, more efficient and reliable customer experience.